Hi, in this video we are going to see how to grow green peas saplings at home using the kitchen seeds. To grow the green peas, I am going to use the seeds from the grocery shop. Dry green peas are available in two colors, green color and the brown color. I am going to use the green variety and grow the saplings from it. Most green peas variety in the grocery shop is a normal variety. If you want to grow a different variety of peas like sugar peas or any other variety, we can buy that specific variety from the shop. Yeah. First thing, I'm getting the soil ready. I have taken the normal soil and making sure there is no stones or any hard particles in it. Then in this I'm adding the cow manure and mixing it well. Then I'm adding the filtered dry coconut from the kitchen waste. Like this we can add any additional things into the soil and make it a little softer so that the seedling can send the roots easily into the soil, and this will also help the soil to absorb more water and it will retain for longer time. Without the soil preparation, if we use a normal soil, it will become harder and it will be difficult for the plants to send the roots into the soil. Next, I'm getting the seeds ready. I'm going to soak the seeds in the water and keep it overnight so tomorrow it can be planted. This is the planting tray that I'm going to use. We can grow up to 32 saplings in it, and each portion in this tray has holes under it so the excess water will drain. If planting tray is not available, we can also use a small paper cups as a containers. Also here I have lot of tomato saplings in a single container. Like this we cannot grow the green peas in a single container because green peas roots are very sensitive and the roots will get damaged during transplanting. So to avoid that, we need to have a separate portion or separate container for each green peas saplings. Now I am going to add the soil in the planting tray. We can fill the soil leaving ½ inch space in the top so that later we can use it for adding additional soil or fertilizer. Yeah, today morning I had moved the soaked peas into the kitchen towel because too much soaking will kill the seeds. If we keep the seeds in the water for longer time, the water will start smelling and it becomes pungent. It can impact the germination of the seeds. When we soak the seeds, the germination rate is good and all the seeds will grow. If you notice this piece, you can see that it has already started sprouting. In the soil, I am putting small hole in the center with a pencil, and it's 1/4 to ½ inches depth. Deeper than that will affect the germination of the seeds. Now I am putting one seed in each hole because I know that these are new peas and they will definitely germinate. But if we are in doubt, we can put 2 in each and then later we can thin it. Now I have put the peas in all the holes. Now to cover it, I am going to add little bit soil in the top. First watering is very important after we sow the seeds. So I'm adding little bit more, and this will help the soil to retain the moisture for a longer time. Yeah, now after watering, I'm keeping the planting tray next to the window, and here I get the full sunlight. I get at least 5 to 6 hours of sunlight, and that is good enough for growing saplings. And another advantage growing indoor is that the temperature is constant and it's not too cold or too warm. Yeah, now after 3 days I see the first one popping out here. Yeah, here I see another one. Since we soaked the seeds, it germinated in just 3 days. Yeah, now after 5 days, almost all the seeds germinated and they are growing evenly. To measure the success of the germination rate, if we get 75 to 80% of the plants from the seeds, that's a good germination rate. But we have got more than 90% of the seeds germinated. Each day I'm keeping the planting tray outdoor in the sun for few hours and then bringing it back indoor. And I have already watered it when the planting tray was kept outside. and just sprinkling the water. Now it's fine, we don't have to pour a lot of water. Green peas is a vine variety and that will need support to climb. Now after 12 days I can see the small leaves and the vines starting to come out. Green peas grows well in the cold climate throughout the year when the temperature is between 40 to 65 Fahrenheit, and in these areas it's better to grow green peas directly in the soil. In places where the cold season is for lesser months, there we can grow the saplings indoor and then we can transplant it outdoor when it is the right temperature. One day I saw green peas as a microgreen sold in the grocery shop, and this is same size as what I have grown at home, and it's just 4 inches and it can be used in salad or in the food directly. After 2 weeks the plant has started to develop bigger vines. It's 4 inches high now, and this is the right time to transplant these saplings into the soil. Before transplanting we should stop watering a day before so that the saplings can be lifted like this easily, and you can notice that the roots are very visible outside. I'll transplant these and cover further growth of these plants in another video. If you have any questions in this video, please do comment it, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. Please share this video with your friends. Thank you.